Bullish Nucypher cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 67 cents and $1.46 by 2030. Market experts accept Nu could reach 67 cents by 2025. Bearish Nucypher market cost expectation for 2022 is 11 cents. Nucypher presentation. Nucypher's encryption administrations depend on various cryptographic conventions that together give mysteries the board for blockchain applications. The stage can be utilized to powerfully get to delicate information on open organizations while keeping the information classified. The Nucypher stage utilizes various cryptographic instruments and methods to give security to blockchain applications. The stage gives an approach to safely divide information among gatherings and control admittance to information utilizing consents. Nucypher likewise offers a decentralized key administration framework, which makes it conceivable to store and oversee keys in a disseminated way. What is Nucypher? Nucypher hubs. The Nucypher stage's organization hubs are liable for putting away and disseminating information across the organization. As a trade-off for their administrations, hubs procure prizes as the ERC20 Nu token. To guarantee entirely pure intentions among hub administrators, a base inventory of Nucypher Nu tokens should be marked. Advantages of the Nucypher stage. The advantages of the Nucypher stage relate straightforwardly to its security instruments. All information is scrambled before it even arrives at the organization, implying that would-be aggressors wouldn't have the option to figure out any captured data. Besides, in light of the fact that information is conveyed across various hubs, there is no weak link that could prompt a disastrous framework-wide break. Nucypher highlights. These elements make Nucypher an alluring suggestion for undertakings who wish to store delicate information on a blockchain without settling for less on security. With its accentuation on security and decentralization, Nucypher likewise has possible applications in fields like medical services and money. Nucypher is a task that gives cryptographic instruments to empower security protecting decentralized frameworks. The task has been a work in progress beginning around 2017 and the Nu token was delivered in October 2020. From that point forward, the venture has collected consideration from the crypto local area and got positive surveys. Nucypher, the tokenomics. Nucypher is a decentralized key administration framework that permits clients to encode and decode information utilizing public key cryptography. The undertaking is based on top of the Ethereum blockchain and utilizes the local ERC20 token, Nu, to drive its organization. Nucypher has quite far to go before it arrives at its maximum capacity. There is still a lot of space for development. The most extreme inventory is just shy of 3.89 billion, so there is still a great deal of undiscovered possibilities. The way into Nucypher's prosperity. The way into Nucypher's prosperity will be its capacity to keep on developing its client base and grow its utilization cases. In the event that it can do that, then there is not a really obvious explanation for why it couldn't become one of the main 10 digital currencies by market capitalization inside the following couple of years. Decentralized key administration framework. It isn't yet clear what has caused this abrupt interest in Nucypher. However, it very well may be because of expanding consciousness of the task as it builds up forward momentum inside the more extensive crypto-biological system. Nucypher is a decentralized administration framework that permits clients to encode and impart information to one another in a safe manner. The task has stood out for its potential use cases in various enterprises, going from medical services to back. With such a huge level of Nu being held by the marking contract, all things considered, this new flood in exchanging action is because of Nu holders and financial backers purchasing up Nu to stake them and procure rewards. There could be critical potential gain potential for the individuals who can get involved right off the bat. Nucypher current cost. Nucypher is at present worth 14 cents USD. Nu has moved 2.65% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,880,543. Nucypher is at present positioned 176 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $104,877,204 USD. Expectations at Nucypher's future costs are by and large sure, with most reporters anticipating critical development before very long. This is obvious given areas of strength for the venture, including an accomplished group, strong innovation, and developing associations. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Nucypher market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Nucypher Value Forecast 2022. Nucypher, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nu cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 22 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 20 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Nu is supposed to have a base worth of 17 cents. Nucypher value expectation 2023. In 2023, Nucypher new cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nu will before long outperform 37 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nu's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nu will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 29 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 32 cents. Nucypher value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 52 cents and Nu might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nu is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 47 cents and a low of 44 cents in 2024. Nucypher value expectation 2025. Assuming Nucypher effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Nu coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nu will be green in 2025. The Nu is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 67 cents, with a base cost of 59 cents and a typical cost of 62 cents. Nucypher value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Nu cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 77 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 74 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nu has a most extreme value worth of 82 cents. Nucypher value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 92 cents. On the off chance that Nu figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 97 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nu needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 89 cents. Nucypher value expectation 2028. While Nu is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.04 and a yearly cost close above $1.12 in 2028. Nucypher value expectation 2029. By 2029, Nucypher will at last outperform its past ATH values and record Nu cost level. The base cost could be $1.19 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.27, averaging out at $1.22. Nucypher value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that